What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in. Here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release May 25th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 4 Oxidized Green releasing July 13th. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick it up, they are shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. Also, I have a full review live on the channel if you want to check that out. And now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, we have the standard Air Jordan Retro 12 box. Go ahead and take a look at the label. Air Jordan 12 Retro, white, gem red, and black, size 10.5 we're going to be taking a look at. Flipping the box lid up, greeted with the tan brown paper. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 12 Taxi Red, Red Taxi, whichever way you want to call it. These do not come with any added accessories, so let's go ahead and get right into this review. Starting off with that top-down view, all white sock liner, all black insole with the red Jumpman logo sitting on the top, red Jumpman logo, red 2-3 going down the middle of the tongue, silver lace eyelets, all white rope laces. Now going around to the lateral side of the shoe, as you can already tell, we got the classic Taxi colorway with the all white upper and the black mid panel and the black midsole. Got the red Jumpman tab right here in the middle. All black outsole as mentioned before. Got the white and black carbon fiber plate with the red Jumpman logo and the red 2-3 sitting at the top. Now going around to the heel of the shoe, black pull tab, white box with the red Jumpman logo sitting on the top, red box with the gray Jordan and the white quality inspired by the greatest player ever sitting on top of the red 2-3. Now going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. White, black with the red accent color sitting in the middle. Taking that last quick 360. And that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 12 Red Taxi. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick them up early, it is shipping out now on FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.